first thing you need to do is go into your project. Once we go into our project, we need to go to project settings. Then we need to, under pipelines, select service connection. We're going to go ahead and create one. You have all of these service connections available. The one we are interested in is the Azure Resource Manager. We're going to have 4 different types of authentication methods. You've got service principal, automatic and a manual. You've got manage identity and publish profile. We are going to select service principal automatic. Let that load. Okay, now I'm going to just change this to CA. And I'm just going to pause the video while I log. Okay, now that I've logged in, I should have my resource groups. And now we need to give it a name. So the name that we have been advised to give is ARM Service Connection. Let's copy that. And then we're just going to grant access permission to all pipelines. We're going to save that. We need to next go to our pipelines and go to release. And we need to go to edit. Now we've got dev right here. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and delete these. And then we're just going to go ahead and, so this is how we have an agent right here, but we're going to remove them and start from fresh. So first thing we need to do is have a build agent, and we need to ensure the build agent looks perfectly fine. Next we need to add some tasks. So the first one we're going to do is Azure copy file, and we need to click it and add. Next, what we need to do is fill in subscriptions. So let's go click on this. First thing, display name. So we're going to leave the display name as it is for now. Let's go to source. We need to parts unlimited, drop, and then select web, parts unlimited website, and .zip. And next we need to choose our subscription. So we're going to choose ARM service connection. We're going to select our destination, so we're going to select blob. In our storage, I've got this in my storage account, so I'm just going to select that. Container name. So the container name that we've been told to use is, and finally container name is telling us to put website zip file output. Then we're going to go ahead to the bottom. That's fine, and we can save it. Go ahead and just save. And then we need to go create release. As you can see, it's right there. And we're going to select the stage, dev, trigger. And then we're going to go ahead and create this. Okay, so you can see right there, release 5 has been created. Now on the release page, you might need to approve the release so it continues. So once the deployment has completed, you should be able to find the file in your Azure storage. Okay, so I'm just going to switch over. Here's my Azure my portal. Let's go into our storage. Click this one. Alright, so it appears to still be deploying, so I'll pause it until that's completed. Okay, so once you click the release, you have the option to deploy. So if you look right here, you've got the option to deploy. Go ahead and deploy it. And now we're going to run the agent. Okay, when we did create our release, we had the option to select release 5. Click on that, and then we should be able to go through this process. So I'm going to go ahead and let that finish. Okay, our storage account failed because it appears that this storage account. This storage account was created for our Azure CLI, so it did not actually go through because it's got a read-only